back to Mother's Motivations. Yes, we're back. Lower ab workout. Working that lower V-tension. Summertime is almost there. So today is our movement. We're gonna go hold a V-sit. So I'm holding a V-sit. We're gonna do 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into a double heel tap. So 4 vertical kicks, double heel tap. Every time you do 4 to a heel tap, that's 1 rep. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Do arms extended, legs extended. Well, so there you have it. Today's lower ab workout. If you're a beginner, 12 reps, 2 or 3 sets. If you're advanced, roughly up to 20 reps, 3 to 4 sets. Any questions, please let us know. Please like and subscribe. Muchas gracias. Arigato. Thank you, thank you, thank you.